Hello Kids Kitchen fans, this is episode 11 and I've come to you with a new baking video. This time it will have cream on top. So today we're going to be making vanilla cupcakes with buttercream. So I will be sharing you the ingredients. So for a double recipe of the vanilla cupcakes, we will need 2 cups white sugar, 1 cup butter. So we're going to be using Prestige, not really butter today. We're going to need 4 eggs, 4 very well good sized eggs, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 3.5 teaspoons baking powder, and about 1.5 or 1 cup's milk. That is for the dough. Now for the toppings, we'll be making a vanilla buttercream frosting, which will need 3 cups powdered sugar, a 1/3 cup butter, softened butter, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla, and 1 to 2 tablespoons milk. On to the mixing. Hey guys, so we'll be preheating our oven to 175 degrees Celsius before we make our cake batter or anything. So first, we're going to be mixing our flour in this dish over here. We'll be mixing our flour plus our baking powder. So this might be quite a long video, so I'm going to be doing a lot of my measurements off camera. So we'll do that for now, then I will show you what is next. So we have measured our flour and our baking powder. So we're going to mix it until you can tell it's really well mixed. Then we will mix our butter and sugar in a different separate bowl. And we'll melt our butter a bit so that it's easier. You can do that, you can melt it for about 30 seconds in the microwave and then you can mix in your sugar. So we'll do that and we'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so we have melted our butter and now we're going to combine it well with our sugar. We also cracked our 4 eggs and put them in a bowl, because the next step, we are going to pour our eggs in here and mix it. Then we'll put the flour and everything else. So we reduced our sugar because the buttercream might be very sweet, really sweet, because that's 3 whole cups of icing sugar. So I suggest you also reduce the sugar to either 1 cup, 1.25, 1.5, not exactly 2. That is a little too much. Mixing our eggs. Okay, that is well combined. So now I will get my flour. I kept it away. So I'll get my flour and I will add that in here now. So I have gotten my flour. So what we usually do is we put in half of the flour first, so it's easier to mix, whether by hand or by an electric mixer. And then we will mix in the other half afterwards. So that's what we'll do until it's well combined with the flour. The egg, sugar, butter mixture is well combined with the flour, and I'll be back with you. Okay, so we have mixed in our flour, and I admit it can get really hard for a person like me to mix it with the hand. So I suggest using the electrical mixer. If you have one at home, go ahead and use it, that is fine. So we have mixed our flour in, now we will be putting our 1 cup milk. I decided not to do 1.5. If more milk is needed, I will add another half. So I will mix this together, then if it's not enough, I'll add half, then I'll come back to you with the vanilla. Okay, so I did not need another half. In fact, it was more than enough. So we have our vanilla extract. We'll be putting the 2 tablespoons into the mixture. Okay, now that we've put that in, we're going to mix it until well combined, and then we'll prepare our baking tray with the cupcake liners. Hopefully we have some here, and yeah. Okay, so we have our cupcake tray here, and we've lined it with cupcake liners, and we're going to be using a soup spoon to measure out the butter, and wow, that's a lot. And we will be putting them into the cupcake liners until we fill each and every one to a certain amount. I suggest you have your mom help you with this part. Those moms who have baked cupcakes a lot like mine. So I will do that and come back and we'll bake it. Okay guys, so we have filled our cupcake liners with cupcake butter. Now we'll be putting them in our preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And remember, it's supposed to be 170 degrees Celsius. Let's go. Okay guys, so now our cupcakes are in the oven. Our round one of cupcakes is going to be a series of rounds. So now we're moving on to our vanilla buttercream. So what we said was, the recipe said is that we mix our icing sugar along with our butter inside a bowl. So I have half the recipe because I'm dealing with a small amount of cupcakes. And the last time I did this, I ended up with a lot of excess icing, so I will do that and then I'll come back to you with the next step. Okay, so now it says that we're going to put, the normal recipe says 1.5, so we're going to half the recipe and we're going to put 2/4 teaspoons vanilla, then we'll put a half teaspoon milk. Okay, so we have added all that in here. Now we're going to mix until well combined. And then it says that if it is too dry, we add milk. If it is too wet, we will be adding powdered sugar. So it's supposed to create something like this mixture here, and it is delicious. Hello guys, welcome back. We have our frosting and our cool cupcakes here. So I have these piping tools, and they have different designs. I have 2 classical designs for our cupcakes here today. So we will be pushing this to push out the frosting, and then we'll just frost them in a classical way. So we're gonna try that. So you need to make sure you're constantly pushing. Okay, I've tried, but I need to make it a little closer together. So I will come with my as many cupcakes as I can frost, and I will show you. Okay guys, so I have tried as much as I can to frost, and here is my finished product for at least one of my cupcakes. There are a bunch of others that my siblings did, and they are very interesting cupcakes, so I will leave those for now. So I'm going to taste my beautiful creation of vanilla buttercream and a vanilla cupcake. My taste testers have already tasted and they tell me it's really good. So it's my turn. That is good cake. I really loved it. So guys, subscribe. If you are new to this video, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. And if you can contact me, please tell me what you'd like me to make next. Bye!